Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove facial verification in Binance. First, open up your Binance app and go to this Binance logo at the top left corner of your screen. Once you click it, you'll see here your profile icon. Click it and it will take you to this page. Now under security, click this one. Here you can find the two-factor authentication, the passkeys, authenticator app, email, password, etc. Now click the passkeys or biometrics. From here you can see your passkey. For example, mine is the fingerprint. If you're registered through your face verification or fingerprint. To remove it, just click on this delete icon and click continue. And use your fingerprint or face verification to remove it. And that's it. That's how you successfully deleted your facial verification in Binance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.